Welcome to AI Jumble. Today, we're diving into the world of Adcrafter AI. A tool that creates captivating titles and texts for your Google and Microsoft Ads campaigns by analyzing and optimizing the content from your URL. As we land on the website's homepage, we're greeted with a comprehensive outlook of the product with a product overview and trial offer. As we scroll down, we are given step-by-step procedure of how the tool works, which include entering URL, copying the results, pasting them to Google Ads and finishing up. Key features include: generate outstanding ads text, fully automatic, improve ad performance, gives an competitive edge, saves time and user-friendly. Easy integration and continuous improvements. The pricing of the tool is divided into freelancer with $5 once and agency with $9 monthly. In conclusion, Adcrafter AI is a time-saving, easily integratable and continuously improving tool, which improves your ad performance through AI-powered optimization. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to get listed on AI Jumble, and we are more than just a channel. We've created a vibrant community of AI enthusiasts, developers, researchers, and industry professionals like you. By subscribing, you become a part of this dynamic community, where you can exchange ideas, share insights, and collaborate on AI projects.